Welcome back to hsebox.com. In this toolbox we will talk about respiratory protection. Millions of workers are required to wear respirators in various workplaces throughout the United States and worldwide. Respirators protect workers against insufficient oxygen environments, harmful dust, fogs, smokes, mists, gases, vapors, and sprays. These hazards may cause cancer, lung impairment, diseases, or death. Respirators protect the user in two basic ways. The first is by the removal of contaminants from the air. Respirators of this type include particulate respirators, which filter out airborne particles, and air-purifying respirators with cartridges or canisters which filter out chemicals and gases. Other respirators protect by supplying clean respirable air from another source. Respirators that fall into this category include airline respirators, which use compressed air from a remote source, and self-contained breathing apparatus, SCBA, which include their own air supply. The top global causes of death, in order of a total number of lives lost, are associated with three broad topics: cardiovascular, ischemic heart disease, stroke, respiratory, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lower respiratory infections, and neonatal conditions, which include birth asphyxia and birth trauma, neonatal sepsis and infections, and preterm birth complications. The most common type of respirator is dust respirators, to protect from dust nuisance. Regarding limitations, check manufacturer limitation used while sand or grit blasting, working near crude oil smoke, grinding or sawing wood, etc. Chemical respirators, to protect from harmful mist or vapors used when entering vessels, spray painting, or when other toxic elements cannot be removed from the work area. Regarding limitations, check manufacturer limitations for the specific activity to be used. Canister-type gas mask, for specific gases specified on the canister. Regarding limitations, not to be used for dust, mist, vapor unless approved by the manufacturer. Self-contained breathing apparatus, SCBA. In high concentrations of toxic gases, oxygen-deficient areas, any environment hazardous to life and emergency escape. Regarding limitations, time limit on usage. Respirators must be available upon request according to the atmosphere the worker will perform his activities, and without cost to the employee. Any employee who is assigned to wear self-contained breathing apparatus or supplied air respirator must have been trained to use it. Medical approval may be sought for personnel required wearing supplied air respirators. Check fire and safety regulations for further details on respirator usage. Visit our channel for more Toolbox Talk and other safety topics. See you next week for another Toolbox Talk. Bye-bye. And stay always safe.